In front of me is TECNO Pova 6 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for one-hand shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, one-handed mode is on. To go back, click on this X on the left or on the right. Or if you want to change side of your little screen, use this one-handed mode icon below the X one. You can also go back by going back to Tab menu and clicking on the same shortcut again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!